Exit polls released at the conclusion of Lok Sabha election in 2019 point to a clear lead for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the National Democratic Alliance. Across 6 leading exit polls, you're seeing a trend that established at the minimum a majority for the National Democratic Alliance, and the outlier to that at about 365 points to a victory for the NDA that is beyond what it won in 2014. You're seeing this come through in these exit polls over strength for the BJP across a number of states, some of which are existing strongholds in 2014 and some of them new ones. Let's go through them one by one. In Uttar Pradesh, where the BJP was against the Mahagathbandhan combined of the Samajwadi Party and the BSP, you're seeing 2 or 3 polls show healthy leads for the BJP and another one for the MGB, averaging out to about 50 seats for the BJP. That might play out in that range on Thursday when counting happens. That would represent a drop of about 20. So where is the BJP making that up? In 2 particular states where you're seeing the BJP getting strength to a level it's not before. Let's turn to West Bengal, where the left seems to have gotten wiped out, and the Trinamool Congress is facing now a BJP that is practically equal in strength according to one poll, or a close second. The BJP in double digits, remember, in West Bengal is not something that happened before. In Odisha again, the Biju Janata Dal is facing a BJP that is again either equal in strength or one poll projecting that it has surpassed the BJD, something that hasn't happened in Odisha before. Let's turn now to certain states in central India. In Madhya Pradesh, where the BJP lost power at the state level, it is still able to post numbers in excess of 20. That's what's being projected. Remember, the BJP won 27 of those 29 seats in 2014, but there were certain fears that some of that could get retraced because the Congress took that state 6 months ago. That is being replicated in the states of Rajasthan, again where the Congress won power, and some part in Chhattisgarh. Let's turn to Maharashtra, where in the bank of 48 states, the fact that the Shiv Sena and the BJP came back together after 4 years of bickering, that alliance was going to be tested and the transferability of votes. It seemed like the trends are suggesting this alliance seems to be working. The BJP Sena alliance got about 41, 42 seats last time, and they're holding much of their own in Maharashtra as well. Turning to Karnataka, where the BJP is against the combine of the Congress and the JDS, which has been in power in the state. This is an interesting projection. The 6 exit polls, most of them project that the BJP is likely to increase its tally from the 17 it got last time. This would put into question the stability of the JDS Congress government in the state of Karnataka.